ljubitelji slovenskega nogometa, prav lepo pozdravljeni. 8. krog prve lige Telemak nadaljujemo v Celju, kjer se bo tukajšnji prvoligaš, aktualni državni prvak iz Celja pomeril z novinko v ligi z ekipo Nafte. Danes nekdanjega člana moskovske druge ekipe Spartaka še ni v kadru. Bobičanec zdaj napada za Celjane, Bobičanec v kazenski prostor, priložnost za Brniča, Brnič preigrava in na koncu prek vrat Mario Kvesič. 4. minuta, prva velika priložnost za Celjane. Potreben pa je tudi posluh drugih deležnikov. So, jasno, tudi lokalne oblasti. Sešlar zdaj krasno podajo proti Brniču, Brnič, mimo vrat Ivan Brnič. Še kaj manjka Celjanom, da bodo zastrašujoč nasprotnik, kot so nekoč že bili. Zdaj je pri žogi Matko, Kouter, Kouter! 44. minuta, Nino Kouter, Evrogol za vodstvo Celja z 1:0. Če so čakali Celjani na individualen preblisk danes, ko jim tudi ni šlo vse po načrtih, potem so ga absolutno dočakali. Kajti tole je gol za domačo videoteko. Matko je nastavil žogo na strel Nino Koutru, ta pa z desnico, zunanjim delom stopala. Kakšen gol! Zdaj je Kljunova podajal kazenski prostor, tole je nevarno priložnost za Nafto, brani Štubljar. Pa je bil tako ali tako v ofsajdu tele priložnosti. Bobičanec je zdaj povlekel celjski napad, Njeto. Njeto proti Sešlarju, Sešlar preigrava, Sešlar, Sešlar! 2:0, vrnil se je domov in zadel Svit Sešlar. Zdaj pa imajo Celjani vodstvo, ki jim zagotavlja mirno nadaljevanje. Svit Sešlar je vlekel in vlekel žogo po kazenskem prostoru Nafte, ni se našel junak, ki bi ga zaustavil, in tudi on je žogo zabil pod prečko. Tista tekma proti Floriji Stalina morda. Ampak takrat je bil seveda še trener Damir Krznar. Ampak Nafta zdaj išče kakšen odgovor in kakšna obramba Lovra Štubljarja. Lesjak išče Kadriča, Kadrič je uspel Pirtošku žoge nastaviti na strel, nema nič nazaj za Vukliševiča, to je Zec. Svetlin. Sešlar se bori, toda Kis do žoge, potem pa strel z razdalje! Kakšen gol, 81. minuta, imamo tekmo, imamo pa tudi tekmo Evrogolov. Kaloki Kis je zdaj ubil družino Pajek, ki je živela v Štublarjevem golu. To je neverjetno, kakšen večer, kar se golov tiče v Celju, eden lepši od drugega. Tudi tale je bil za večkratne ponovitve. Lerno proti Koutru. Celjani zdaj brez podaje pred vrata. Morda bo poizkusil Lerno, Lerno, priložnost in gol! 3:1, tekma je odločena, David Zec pa prvič v tej sezoni v polno in Celjani se bodo podpisali pod 3. zmago v sezoni. Malce bolj dramatično, kot so pričakovali, a vendarle David Zec, torej na koncu tisti, ki je žogo pospravil v mrežo, takole je podal Lerno. Mr. Riera, job done, 3 points in the back, but as we know you now, probably a little bit of mixed feelings, a lot of part of the game, a good performance. Maybe we expected that at 2-0 Celje will, let's say, kill the game. That didn't happen, but at the end, again, we will come to this 3 points in the back.
Yeah, the most important are the 3 points, and never ever, even if you are winning 5-0, everything will be perfect. In a game of football, you have mistakes, you have ball losses, you have chances that you are not scoring. But in general, I'm satisfied on the way how we play. But with the ball, we can do much better. This is the reality. This is what I said to the boys. Much better, because I have to demand much more, much better, because we are getting ready for something big. This is what I am preparing this team, not only for this kind of game. With all my respect to NAFTA, we are preparing this team for much higher challenges, and we have to be ready. Positive, the way how we played, the planning was okay, but on another side, the rhythm. I didn't like the rhythm of the game. I like to play with a higher rhythm and try to make the opponent run more. This was also the plan that we had at the start, and for me it was a little bit slow moving the ball. But apart for the rest, I'm satisfied.
This was also the game. You love football, you love the show. That was the game of great goals, practically first 3 goals, highlight material. Is this something that you as a coach have the time to enjoy during the match? What's your, let's say, opinion about these goals, that they were really fantastic 3 goals?
At the end, yeah, the goal can come from a different position, from different ways. Goal is always a goal. But of course, when the goal is the idea, I mean, that you prepare this kind of goal on a strategy, or for example, we are crossing the last goal that they consider like a own goal, but we cross to the goal. This is something that we are working. I mean, it's not only a simple cross; it's a cross into the goal, and even if the defender touches the ball, can go inside. So they are a kind of goal that, of course, you are preparing and you are working on the trainings, and I like more these ones that you are preparing. After, at the end, what I'm always saying, a coach can help the players from the goalkeeper till 3 quarters. The last quarter is from the players, the talent, the quality, the last pass. So that's what I want to see from them, from Bernic, from Vesic, from Sejlar, this quality that they have, and to score great goals.
Thank you very much, and good luck.
Thanks.
Mr. Božič, 3-1 to Celje at the end. A match where you were in the game until the last minutes. That's something that you wanted. Is there a feeling in you that maybe you can got even more from this game?
Yes, that was the main goal, to stay in the game until the last moment, and we did it. So I'm satisfied with this side of the game. But I also have some feeling about the counterattacks, about the situations what we had, because we can bring out from that game even more if we make our counterattacks with more quality.
You didn't stop when you went 2-0 down. Maybe somebody expected that that was enough for Celje to win, but your team showed character. Also, the players that came in from the bench made a difference. These are probably the good sides of this game.
Yes, I think this is the first thing what we could improve in the last few months. That all the players understand that this is a kind of championship when anything can happen, and we have to push until the last moment, because in this way we can reach great things. And this is the most important for me, the mentality, and of course in the side of the game, how we play, we can improve, but the mentality has to keep.
Thank you very much and good luck.
Me too, thank you very much.
Svi Sešlar, dobrodošli nazaj domov. Pravzaprav nekako so vas v tem slogu napovedali, ko ste se vrnili v Celje, kjer ste seveda igrali kot otrok, in vrnili ste se z zadetkom. Če bi si nekako pisali scenarij tekme, bi bil nekako takšen verjetno.
Ja, najbolj pomembno je itak, da smo dosegli zmago po tem reprezentančni pavzi, da imamo tudi v redu popotnico zdaj za sredin derbi, ker vemo, da smo že zdaj dosti v zadnji, treba iti tekmo po tekmo in vsako na zmago, in potem bomo na koncu gledali točko.
Kaj pa tisti vaš trenutek, slalom med nogometaši NAFTE, tudi žoga je nekako našla svojo pot še enkrat do vas in potem pod prečko, veselje s celjskimi navijači, to pa je vendarle nekaj posebnega.
Ja, sigurno na prvi tekmi, ko prideš, je dobro zadeti takoj tudi v tistih, ko dvomijo, in takoj dokažeš, da lahko igraš, da si prišel kot neka okrepitev. In ja, sigurno je bilo dobro tudi slaviti pred domačimi navijači in ja, gremo naprej.
Najlepša hvala, Ceč.
Hvala.
Rok Pirtovšek, na koncu 3:1 za Celje, ampak verjetno tekma z vašega vidika, kjer ni bilo vse slabo še zdaleč, kar nekaj dobrega lahko potegnete na koncu, pa vendarle poraz, ki si ga niste želeli.
Pa ja, začeli smo zopet malce zadržano, potem prejeli ta zadetek ob koncu polčasa, potem je težko iti na polčas trezne glave, ampak ja, drugi polčas, tudi po vodstvu 2:0 smo se dvignili, dosegli ta prelep zadetek, imeli še dosti situacij, ampak na koncu je malo zmanjkalo za kaj več.
Se pa je danes pokazalo, da imate pa tudi kar širino kadra, menjave so dodale svoje.
Ja, imamo mlado ekipo, zanimivo ekipo, igralci so željni dokazovanja in mislim, da se za prihodnost ni bati.
Najlepša hvala, Ceč.